my name is Vani and my register number is UR15CS362. Now I have given a program in array and string. A queue is a data type. The question is, a queue is a data type of use first in and first out in a data storage device, much like a stack. The difference is that in the stack, the last data item is the first one retrieved, while a queue is in first data item stored in the first one reviewed. A queue is like a line of customer in a bank. Here it would have a two function, one called put to put a data item on a queue and one called get to get data item from the queue. You will need two variable for a queue, one called head to point to the head of the queue and one called tail to point to the tail of the queue. When either the tail or removed from the queue, when this result is an added complexity. When either the tail or head gets to the end of the array, it must wrap around the beginning. The need a statement like if tail equal to max minus 1, tail equal to minus 1 to wrap the tail, and similar one of for the head. The array used in a queue is sometimes called a circular buffer because the head and the tail circle around it when with the data between them. Now I am going to show the program. Here the header files are given a /include iostream using namespace std, and now I have given a class object as a class queue, and here I am giving the private. Under the private I am giving the data type as a int and attribute as a queue. So the array of integer I have given as a 5, so int q of 5, and again the data type I have given int head, int tail, int elements, and now I am giving the public. Under the public I am giving the constructor as a queue of and tail, and now I am going to initialize the tail equal to -1 and head equal to -1, element equal to 0, and now I am going to give the void function of as a void put of int variable. Now I am going to give if condition, so if of else double equal to 5, and cout I am going to give cout is used to display the output, so I am going to give cout. The queue is full. /n you can't place any more elements /n, and else tail. Now I am going to give the formula tail is equal to tail plus 1 percentage 5 and q of tail equal to variable, and now I am going to increment the element, so I am giving element plus plus in return. Now I am going to give the data type as a int get of. Now and next I am going to give the if condition, so if element equal to 0, and now I am going to give the cout as cout. There are no element in the queue, return 0 element, and I am going to decrease the number of elements, so I am going to give element minus and head equal to head plus 1 percentage 5. It is a formula, and return q of head, and now I am going to because I am going to return a value, and again I am going to increment, so I am giving head plus plus close bracket, and now I am going to give the main function as the int main q, and I am going to give a data type as a char choice int chh char comma char. Now I am going to give the do whiles do. So do cout which choice do you want, /n, a as insert, or as delete, and e as exit /n, and now I am going to give the scene used to insert the value, so scene choice. I am going to give the switch of choice, and case small a and case capital A. Cout which value do you want to insert /n, scene ch, and I am going to give the break, and again I am going to give the second value, so case small r and case capital R. ch is equal to q dot get off, and now I am going to give the if condition. equal not equal to 0. See out the value is slash t ch n, and again I am giving the break. Now I am going to give the while condition. So while choice not equal to e and operator, and choice not equal e capital E return. Now I am going to return 0. Now we can run the program. Here I am going to, which choice do you want? I am giving A, enter. Which value do you want to insert? I am giving 12, enter. Again I am giving the choice as A, enter. And again I am going to give the value as the insert value as 13, enter. And again I am giving A, enter. And again I am giving the value as enter the value as 14, enter. And here I am going to give the next choice as OR for delete. So I am going to give OR, enter. The deleted value is 12. Again if I give OR means the next value, the deleted value will be the 13 will be deleted, so the value is 13. Next I am going to give the choice as E means exit, then it will be exit. Thank you.